Thinking about remodeling your bathroom? Well, in 2025, Colorado homeowners could see up to a 75% return on investment. But is it worth your money and your time? Well, let's break it down. More Coloradans are choosing to renovate instead of relocate, especially homeowners in their 30s to 50s. Why? Low inventory, high mortgage rates, and a stable market make remodeling the smarter move. Bathroom remodels lead the charge, not just for comfort, but for value. In Denver, a mid-range bathroom update offers a 74.8% return on investment, which is well above the national average. But what's the price tag? In Colorado, remodels can range anywhere from $30,000 to $130,000. Why the range? Well, it comes to three things: your design goals, your materials, and your bathroom size. A simple update with new fixtures might cost less, but a full transformation with walk-in showers and premium finishes, now that's your top-tier investment. So what features actually add value? Walk-in showers offer 60 to 70% return on investment to your home. Double sink vanities, which are popular with busy families, they offer up to 70% of a return on investment. Energy efficient upgrades like water scent shower heads, catalyst shower heads from Kohler, all of these are great not only for resale but also for rebates. Buyers in Colorado love sustainable spa-like designs, especially in hot neighborhoods like Washington Park and the Highlands, where upgraded bathrooms help homes sell faster and for more. Here are some pro tips from the experts at HomePride Bath. Focus on functional upgrades. Avoid overly custom trends. Renovate 1 to 2 years before selling. Choose features that not only boost your daily life, but your resale appeal. High quality work matters. Cutting corners can wipe out your entire investment. Are you ready to boost your home's value and comfort? HomePride offers free, no obligation quotes tailored to your goals. Visit our site, www.homepridebath.com, and turn your bathroom into an investment you will love.